So in this the previous lecture we have seen the concept of while loop. Now we will see the concept of for loop. The syntax of the for loop, first I will write the syntax of the for loop. For first you have to write the keyword for, then followed that you have to open the bracket and you have to write the initialization statement, then after that you have to write a semicolon, then condition, then another semicolon, then you have to write the update statement. And within these braces there are going to be statements. As long as this condition is true, these statements will get executed. So what is this initialization, condition and update? Condition we know, as long as we are going to provide a condition, if this condition is true only the statements will run. What is this initialization? Where it is present in the while loop, I will show it using our previous program. So initially in this program, if you see the previous lecture, I have written this program. If you have not seen that lecture, you can go and see that first. So this is all the initialization. Initialization statement. We are providing an initial value for this I. That is called initialization statement. And what do you call as the update statement? Each step we have seen in the while loop, each step we are incrementing. In this example, we are incrementing I by 1. This statement is called the update statement. So I hope you understood what is the initialization and what is the update statement. So we will convert this program for loop. We'll keep this as such. I will comment these lines of code and then I will write the program. Same program, we will use the same program to write the program to print hello for 100 times using the for loop. So I have commented these won't be executed now by the compiler. So I will use, first I am going to declare a variable I, integer variable I. I am not providing the value 1 first itself. You notice that in the while loop example I have given the value of 1 to I first itself. But here I am not going to do that. Instead, within the for loop itself, within this brackets itself, we are going to give I is equal to 1. That is called the initialization statement. And after that we are going to provide the condition I lesser than or equal to 100. The same condition we have used for our previous code. Then I am going to increment the I by 1 at each step. See, I is equal to I plus 1 and I plus plus are same only. Both are doing the same task only. They are incrementing the value of I by 1. So far in my lectures I have not explained about the post increment and pre increment operator, but as far as for now you understand that the I is equal to I plus 1 will have the same effect as I plus plus. So as we have we have completed writing the conditions within the bracket, and as long as this condition is true, the printf hello statement will get executed. So you can count and see for 100 times you have executed the statement, printf statement, and 100 times hello is displayed. So see, that is what both the loops, while loop and for loop work similar to each other, and I have shown the link between them also. The initialization, where we are providing the initialization condition, and where we are doing the update. So you hope for first I will say for this initially the i's value I will explain the working of this for loop. Initially i's value is 1 in the first iteration. Next iteration it is becomes incremented. I is equal to 2 and up to it goes up to I is equal to 100. And after the I becomes 101, the for loop stops. I becomes 1 not 1, the for loop will stop because this condition will fail at that time. If this condition fails, the printf statement won't be executed inside. So thank you, and I hope you understood the for loop perfectly. But don't worry, as soon as we start solving examples for the for loops and while loops, you will understand them more better. This example is to just show how the for loop works. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will see how the do while loop executed. Do while loop executes and how it is different from the while loop and for loop. And here you see, in the last lecture I have said that while loop is an entry control loop. For loop is also a entry control loop only. But the next loop in next video which we are going to see, the do while loop, it is a exit control loop. I will differentiate between the entry control loop and exit control loop in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. You can support us by subscribing our channel, and you can say what you think about our videos. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment sections. Thank you.